Get your little ass out of here. Wow. They're teenage squash bugs. Morning, friends. This morning we are getting up close and personal with some pests, squash bugs in particular. See behind me this crazy field of squash, pumpkins, zucchinis, cucumbers. All that stuff is going crazy, but the bugs are here, so I'm gonna go take care of them and I'll show you what I'm doing. So the tools I have are soapy water for the adults. You spray this on them. Apparently it breaks their shell and breaks them down. Also for the adults, if I'm getting frisky, some leather gloves so I can squish them. For the eggs, get this pocket knife so I can cut the eggs off of the leaves. Mirrorless camera so I can get some nice up close shots and put it in the video. And it turns out that the squash bugs don't really care about the zucchini, or I'm sorry, the cucumber so much. They really care about the pumpkins and squash, but in particular zucchini. So squash bugs like zucchini. I'm starting to see them on the pumpkins. We'll go take care of them next. Check this out. Big zucchini here. All right, why do I keep calling them zucchini? I'm an idiot. There we go. Cucumbers. Cucumbers for days. Augie, what are you doing in here, pal? Augie, come on. Get your little ass out of here. Get your little ass out of here. All right, first things first, I'm gonna do a little scouting around. I just stepped in dog poo. Here are some eggs. Up close shot. Those are eggs. So I'm starting to see these eggs everywhere, and so what I'm going to do is cut them off with my knife, throw them in this soapy mixture here. Bloop. Dead. So on just this one plant, we have what I believe to be squash beetles. Try to get up. So there's the difference between squash bugs and squash beetles. See if I can get an up close shot of this guy. Yeah. Sometimes you just gotta cut off the whole leaf. It's got stuff all in there. You can see inside of there. Soapy water will do the trick. Look at all of them. I'm gonna spray them with soapy water. Wow, look at the size of that cucumber. Oh. Cucumber. Wow. Great. Check this dude out right here trying to hide from me. You can't hide from me. You're dead. Found an adult, so I'm gonna spray it. See what happens. See if we can get up close here. See that guy? Right there. Doesn't look good. So soapy water looks like it might slow them down a little. I'll get an up close shot of this because it looks like they're slowing down. I'm just not entirely sure if it's actually going to kill them. Update, it does look like the soap kills them. So use soapy water. All right, I just found a fresh hatch. This is worse than I thought. Look at them. Let me get an up close shot, but look at them. See, they're right there, crawling all over this thing. Might as well grab this zucchini while I'm out here. What a great shot of a teenage one. There's one above it. There's one right there. Teenage squash bugs. About to get killed. Well, what we learned today, basically Soapy water does kill the squash bug eggs, the teenagers, and the adults. I spray it on the teenage, the red ones that you saw there, and I killed the adults with it too. Ultimately, squishing them and throwing them into a vat of soapy water is going to be the best option for you to kill them long term, which is why I was carrying that around. And also, squash bugs enjoy certain plants more than others. They love my zucchini, and they're all over my pumpkins right now, but not so much on my cucumbers or the actual squash, the 2 squash plants that I have. So anyways, that's what we learned. Hope this was helpful. If you're interested in this sort of stuff, Off Grid Empire is our newsletter. There's a specific area called Missouri Vibes for Missouri folks, so you can join that if you're specific to Missouri, where I'll talk about my experience gardening in Missouri, the pests, the harvests, and everything in between. So great, really, really cool.